Welcome to the deep dive. Today, we're getting into something really core for anyone managing projects. What are the actual deliverables?
Right. What does the project genuinely produce? It sounds simple, but it gets confused easily.
Exactly. We're drawing insights today from Project Management for Project Managers by Orlando Casabon.
So have you ever looked at, say, reduced costs and thought, yep, that's what my project delivered?
Ah, that's a classic one.
Let's unpack that. What is an output in project terms?
Okay, so an output is the direct, immediate result of the project activities. It's the specific thing you create and hand over.
Like what? Give me an example.
Well, it could be a new software module, a training manual, maybe a redesigned process map, something tangible or at least definable that the project team builds or puts together.
Right. So going back to my example, staffing costs reduced by 20%. That doesn't sound like a thing you can hand over.
Precisely. That's a benefit. It's a positive impact, hopefully, that happens because of what the project delivered.
Ah, so the output enables the benefit. Exactly. Maybe the output was a new scheduling system or automated reporting,
Yeah.
something concrete. That system, that's the output. The cost reduction is the good thing that happens later.
Okay. That distinction is important. What about something like faster and more accurate processing of all sales invoices? Is that an output?
Closer, but I'd classify that as an outcome.
An outcome? How's that different from a benefit?
An outcome describes a change in how things operate. It's the new state of affairs, you know. The faster processing happens because people are using the project's output.
So if the output was, say, new accounting software.
Right. The software is the output. The faster, more accurate invoicing, that's the outcome. It describes the result of using the output in the business.
Got it. It's the change in capability. And quick access to all detailed reports and accounts. Same logic. Outcome.
Yeah, I'd say that's an outcome too, or possibly framed as a benefit depending on context. It's an improvement in the working environment.
Made possible by?
Made possible by the output. Maybe the project delivered a new database or a reporting tool. That tool is the output. The quick access is the consequence of having that tool.
This is really crystallizing now. Okay, let's nail it down. Give me a clear-cut, undeniable example of a project output.
Sure. How about new accounting procedures?
Okay, why is that definitely an output?
Because it's a specific specialist product. It's a defined set of rules, workflows, documents perhaps, created by the project. You can deliver it. You can point to it and say, here are the new procedures.
Right. It's the thing itself. It's the tool or the system you've built.
Spot on. And that's the foundation. You deliver these outputs, the procedures, the software, the training, and then you hope to see the outcomes, like faster processing.
And achieve the benefits, like reduced cost.
Exactly. Without a clear, solid output, those outcomes and benefits.
Well, they're just wishful thinking, aren't they? You need the deliverable first.
That makes perfect sense. It's about knowing what you're directly building versus what you hope will happen because of it. And focusing on the output helps define the project's direct scope and responsibility.
Okay, so quick recap. Outputs are the direct deliverables, the stuff the project makes. Outcomes are the changes in how things work because of those outputs.
Yep, the operational shifts.
And benefits are the positive, measurable impacts resulting from it all.
You've got it. Understanding that sequence is key.
Definitely clarifies things. So thinking about this distinction, how might that change how you, listening now, define success for your next project? Something to chew on.
It's a fundamental shift for some team.
Absolutely. And if you want to explore these project management principles further, I really do recommend the book Project Management for Project Managers by Orlando Casabon.
A solid resource.
Until our next deep dive.